Olá a todos, muito obrigada por nos receber aqui no Brasil. Um prazer enorme conhecer vocês. Meu nome é Karine Baltazar e eu, juntamente com a Marina Mônaco, a gente ajuda estudantes brasileiros a transformar o sonho deles em realidade e estudar aqui na SELC em Vancouver, no Canadá. E hoje nós vamos explorar duas áreas fascinantes que estão em grande crescimento, não só aqui no Canadá, mas também no mundo todo, os nossos programas de supply chain e os nossos programas na área da saúde. Oi, Tofi, agora é com você.
Thanks, Karine. Hi, I'm Tofi. I'm Supply Chain Management and Logistics Expert. Here at SELC College, we will offer you one-of-the-kind program under Canadian Institute of Transportation and Traffic certifications that will immerse you in the heart of North American supply chain. Here's the best part. Almost all of our supply chain management students who's taking CITT certifications secure a job while completing their supply chain programs. And now we'll be moving forward with the healthcare program, which will be further explained by Sim.
Thank you, Tofi, for the introduction. My name is Sim. I am the program head for all healthcare programs here at SELC College, and I'd like to introduce you to all of our healthcare programs. So in Canada, we're very proud of our free healthcare system, and that system depends on skilled workers. And at SELC College, we offer programs to help support that very system. We offer programs such as medical office assistant, hospital support administrator, and a healthcare assistant. So in addition to the courses you'll take at SELC College, you'll earn micro-credentials as well, which includes first aid, CPR, and food safe training. In addition to the other courses you'll take, anatomy and physiology, medical transcription, office administrative procedures, and how to take care of patients, various skills that you may learn and practice in a hands-on skills environment in the lab. Once you've graduated from any of our healthcare programs, your average salary will be between $25 and $30 an hour. All of our healthcare programs require a certain level of English, and we do provide support for that as well. And Joseph will have that detail for you.
Fluency in medical English is crucial to have effective communication in the global healthcare industry. At SELC, we recognize this need and have developed an intensive program that helps students reach an upper intermediate level of proficiency. Our goal is simple: to help our students prepare linguistically and practically for jobs in the medical field. We ensure that when our students are ready to step into their professional roles, they're ready to shine. Our curriculum covers essential medical terminology like the human body, emergency medical care, mental health and community health care, medications and patient care. Plus, we have field trips to healthcare facilities every week.
Are you ready to unlock your world of opportunities?
Muito obrigado.